For many students, getting their daily homework done and planning ahead for long-term tests and quizzes and projects can be especially difficult. Well, why is that in the first place? The reason is that for many people, they underestimate how long a task is going to take and they overestimate how long they're going to have to do it. This is really common, but the good news is there's a solution. And this solution doesn't cost very much money, it's not high tech, and it's super easy to use. It's a good old-fashioned whiteboard. I love using whiteboards. They're especially effective when they're in a student's study area. You know, planning ahead is an executive functioning skill, even listing out what you have to do for homework. And often when a student goes to start homework, their initial thought is to start with whatever is on the top of their mind. But actually, the better idea is not to start with English, math, or even science. It's to start with a to-do list, and that's best put on a whiteboard because when it's in front of you, it's not out of sight, out of mind. You can also use a whiteboard in a more advanced way, and that's to plan ahead for the week, which is especially valuable. So here's how it works. You write the days of the week on top of your board, Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And underneath each date, you write down what's due, those big tests, assignments, or projects. That helps you to create your to-do list for the night before. So for example, on Tuesday, if you got an English essay due, then on Monday, part of your to-do list is to get that done and to upload it. I've always taught students that when we're planning ahead, a day is a good idea. But if we're only planning for that day, it's a little bit short-sighted because that's when things can creep up on us. Oh man, I forgot I had that biology test on Thursday. I wasn't planning ahead for that. We want to avoid those situations. So for that reason, often just planning for a day, it's a little bit short. But if we have the expectation that we plan ahead for a whole month, that's really unrealistic and it's hard to keep that up. But a week is just right. So a day is too short, a month is too long, but planning for a week, well, that's just right.